Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I will show you how to view your hidden rows on Microsoft Office Excel. So now open your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. So here in this example I have first to hide some rows. I'm going just to click hide. I will hide this one only. I'm going to hide other rows. So as you can see, now I have some hidden rows. To view them, all you have to do is just simply click on the hidden rows because they are not like hidden perfectly or totally. So all you had to, you want to do is to have this cursor. As you can see, I have this arrow cursor now. If I go uh, between the rows that I hide, you will find these double crossing, not crossing, but double parallel lines with the arrow cursor. All I have to do now is click on it twice and it will start unhide rows one by one. As you can see, it unhidden these rows. So if you want to unhide them uh, without double clicking, like unhide them all you need to do is to click again as I showed you and right click on the cursor and click unhide and it will start unhiding. Or you can select the hidden or the unhidden rows that are between the hidden rows and you will right click on them like this. As you can see, those are not hidden, and I'm going to click unhide and it will unhide the whole group. So basically this is how we do. Let's do it another time. I'm going to select these two unhidden rows and it will unhide all the rows that are between them. So this is how we do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.